Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the most precious natural resource, that is land and the land use. You know, the land use is the usage of land for the several purposes. The land can be used for agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and establishing industries. So today we are going to study the factors of land use. Assume we have a piece of land with us. For what purposes we can be use this land is depending on certain factors. These factors are called the factors of land use. These factors can be classified into two, that is physical factors and second one is human factors. So we are discussing about the physical factors and human factors that decide or that determine the land use. In the physical factors, the first one is topography. Do you know what is topography? Topography means the arrangement of natural and artificial physical features of a land. Okay, so according to topography, the land is classified into mountains, hills, plains, valleys, plateaus, etc. So according to this type of land, we have to decide or determine what have to be done or for the what purpose we have to be use the land. So the first one is topography. The second one is soil. The second physical factor is soil. Okay, we all know what soil is. So the fertility of the soil is the main factor that determines whether to cultivate in that land or to use the land for any other purposes. So if the land is very fertile, of course we can do the agricultural activities in that. If it is a dry land, we can use it for constructing buildings or for an industry or for building houses and other purposes. And the third one is minerals. Let's see what is minerals. Minerals are the natural substances or the materials which are present in land, that is in soil. Okay, the materials that are present in soil or land is called minerals. If I tell the examples of minerals, you can catch it easily. Gold, silver, carbon, petroleum, coal, these are some examples of minerals. So if our land is very enriched with these minerals, any of these minerals, it will be a wealthy land. This land will generate revenue for us. So if the land is enriched with minerals, it will make us a wealthy man, of course. Okay. The next factor is water availability. We all know without water we can't do anything. Okay. So the water availability directly influence the land use. If the land have a well water resource, of course, we can use it for agriculture or for irrigation and other purposes. So, the water availability is a main factor of land use. And the next one is climate. The next factor is climate. Okay, what is climate? Climate refers to the weather condition of a particular area. Okay, over a period of time. So, how climate is determining the land use? The climate is directly affect the agriculture itself. The farmers used to determine their crops according to the climate. In the hillside, it will be always cool. Okay, so in the hillside, we can see the cultivation of carrot, cabbage, tea and coffee. Okay, so look around you. You can see the paddy fields, right? And we can see the coconut trees. We can see the cultivation of banana trees because our climate is suitable for these crops. So the climate can be directly influence the agriculture. But if it is a dry, windy land, How can we use this land? Have you seen windmills? Look at these. These are the windmills. So, the windmills used to generate electricity. Windmill convert the wind power into electricity. They mounted on a tower to capture the energy and they transform it into the wind energy transformed into electricity. So, if it is a dry land, we kept is a dry land, we can use it for another purpose other than agriculture. So, the climate plays a crucial role in the land use. The biggest windmill in Kerala is in Kanjikode. Do you know where Kanjikode is? Kanjikode is in Palakkad district. And the human factors, we have discussed the physical factors. Now in the human factors there are two factors, population and technology. Okay, the area is much populated. The land can be used more for building houses, constructing buildings and for building malls and for industrial uses, etc. If it is a valley or a plain with less population, it can be used for agriculture and rearing cattle, etc. So, thus population affecting the land use. And the technology. For the purposes such as mining and irrigation, we need updated technology. The updated technology helps us to use the land in a perfect way. So, that's all for today. Catch you in the next class. Till then, bye.